Hey guys, welcome back. This is part 3 of the camper rehab, I guess, after the fire. So let's get this show on the road. I've been standing here looking at this for long enough, I think. Feels springy. This top has to come off, right? Push back, lift up. Aha! What do we got? 4 screws, a gas line. On my last one, these ground wires, or the power wires, or whatever this is, these are probably the power wires. They were shorting out on the chassis, and they wouldn't ignite. Let me get a screwdriver and take these off. I need a crescent wrench or something for those. 6 screws. The marker. The marker. Where's the marker? Range. Is my gas off? Let me go check my gas. Got to make sure your gas is off. Ugh. Gas. That one is off. That one is off as well. Gas is off. Nice clean connection. What do we got in here? Nothing. That's good. There it is. We're just gonna set it in the slide where the dinette goes. Perfect. Perfect. All right, I grabbed my razor blade. I put a fresh blade in it. I'm going to trace the height of this countertop here. I'll just do some other kind of edging up here. I make mistakes, I leave gaps. I'm sure we're gonna need something. So, get you in here. There's some screws back here. There's one there, one over there, one there, and then there's a whole bunch. Can you see them? Back there. I don't know how I'm gonna get back there. Give me enough. It's gonna, if I lift up the counter, it's gonna hit my window trim. And I don't want to pull the window right now. Forever, I don't think. Any ideas over there? I could cut the counter. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna cut a chunk out of there so I can get the drill bit back there. What do you think? I think it'll work. Okie dokie. Too deep. Yeah, somewhere right there. Okay. Maybe we can snap it out of there. That's a pretty big non-cut section over there, Jared. Gotta be a better way, right? Like, cut that the rest of the way. Whoa! I can burn through it. Burn. Yeah. I got my finger caught in there. There we go. They couldn't get to them evidently either. Because this one's not driven in. Neither is that one. The struggle is real. Oh my gosh. All right, we got those. That should be it. Should be the only thing holding this in. Oh, it's two pieces. They have a seam right here. Should we separate that? Battery dying. Battery dead. Battery dead, not dying. Battery dead. Do you think it's meant to come off? Probably not. Probably not. Nah. Nah. Okay, this will probably come out now. What's holding it over there? Something's holding it over here. There. All right. Some blocks down there. Let's just cut this off and see what we get behind there. This is gonna now be part of my tanks. So maybe I'll just put a backer over here. Alright, whatever. Let's pull this off. A little melted there. Pulled in. We got a couple more mounty spots. One there, you can see that. And then the one back there that we knew about. Okay. There we go, jeez. Oh, yeah. Alright guys, I think that is gonna do it for today. I got the countertop out. I got the wallboard off. Tomorrow I will clean this and then put a coat of paint on it. Alright, we're gonna wrap this up today. We will catch you tomorrow. Alright guys, hey, welcome back. Day 2. So not quite what I planned on doing today, but I went up and picked up some plywood from the hardware store, and I just kind of wanted to get it out of the garage because a big sheet of plywood was taking up so much room. Took up the whole middle of the garage, and I had a big old mess in here, so I ended up just working on the countertops, which are tucked way back there right now. So we will, I guess following video, we'll do the other stuff that I had been talking about. So let's get into the video. Thanks for coming back. All right, I picked up a sheet of plywood. It's cabinet grade, they say. No real knots in it or anything. So, but I laid out the dining room table and the kitchen counter, and I have marked where the cabinets run back, marked out a little bit where the sink is. I'm not going to cut it. I'm going to laminate it, I think, first. Flip it over, laminate the other side. This is the bottom. This first line is the original cabinet line. That is going to be with the overhang. The actual cabinet sits back a ½ inch. So I'm actually going to take it out to probably this line when I laminate it. I'm not sure where I want the overhang on here yet, but I'll figure that out. The sink will go there, same place. I traced around this as well. I just wanted to mark this counter so I can get rid of the burnt stuff so we don't have it sitting around here. My laminate's not going to be in for 2 weeks, I think. Blade feels sharp. Why ain't she moving? Try it again. Should probably cut this first one first, huh? Put this one up here. This is the doubler for the face. So it's going to appear to be that deep, huh? What do you think? Cool. We still have to cut it back. So I'll laminate it when it's this big, and then we'll cut it back with the laminate on it. I think I'm going to rip this thing out and get the table separate. Okay, so I got the dinette separated from the counter now. I don't think I'm going to cut the range out, just because I want it to be a little sturdier. This will be the edge build-up for there. The rest is just going to get some pine 1x to screw into the wall. And then this will be the sink cutout. And I'll use this other piece over here for the doubler on the dinette. Okay, I had to run up to the hardware store, grab some wood glue. I'm going to go ahead and double up all these edges. Just get them ready, that way it's ready to go when I get all of the laminate for it. Let's make sure I get these in the right spots here. Glue on both of these. Oh, I need more. Okay, there's those. Square up these cuts. 19 3/8. Oops, what did I do? Oh, I burned an inch. I need 18 3/8. Jared. Right. Ooh. So this this way? Oh, it'll go that way. All right, let's do glue. Flip her over. All right, let's get the other side. What do we got here? Where is my tape? 19 and a 16th. Square this up. 16th. Let's see what that does. That'll work. Glue her. So that is done. I was gonna draw the outline on it again. Flush up this bottom here. Nice. Let's see about the sides. All right, trace. There it is. All right, this thing is garbage. Okay, let me get the main counter back up here. Okay, I need my doubler there, and then I need a short one. I have this scrap over here. Glue this up. Stick this guy on here. Yeah. Let's line up this corner. Okay. Let's line up this one. And let's do like a second row on the inside here. And this little one on the corner. There it is. These are just going to be 1-bys, no doublers. So this will be what the edge will look like. Of course, cleaned up with the laminate on this side. I'm going to do I'll sand it nice and smooth. I think it'll look nice. All right, let me, is that it? Dinette and this. Yeah, let me put this stuff out of the way because I am over here, of course, at my sister and brother-in-law's house, and I try not to take up too much room. I really appreciate it. Letting me use this space so I can get this done. So let me clean this up here real quick. So I was going to pull that off and rebuild that, but I think I'll wait till the next one. I didn't get that painted up there either. So next one we should be getting quite a bit done. I'll have the walls on probably and get the rest of that cabinet repaired. Maybe we'll test fit the counter and make sure it fits. Then we'll start painting, putting walls on and painting. But anyway, that's going to be it, guys. Till next time, stay curious, chase the sun. See you around the bend.